Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
In this tutorial, I will show how can we download and set up the live stream software, OBS Studio in Windows. At first, go to your internet browser and type download OBS Studio. Click on Download OBS Studio from their official website. Now, as per your operating system, click on Download Installer. Download started. Please wait till finish. Friends, you already have an idea about this software. Because OBS Studio is the most popular live streaming software on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platform. Download complete, and now, let's go to set up OBS Studio on my computer. For setup, click right button, and run as administrator. Just click on Next, Next, and install. Installation done, click on Finish. Now, click on OBS Studio. Friends, next I will make a full tutorial, how can we go live on Facebook by OBS Studio. Please, keep watching our video, and stay with us. By clicking Start Streaming, we can set up our custom live, or we can go live from different social media. See, all live streaming format here. Dear friends, I again promise you all, I make a helpful tutorial about how to use OBS Studio and go live from any social media. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.